Welcome to another episode of Lake Island Reptiles. Just sitting here in the bedroom, and there's a nice little lightning storm going on this evening. It's really pretty when these lightning storms happen out here. I love that right there. It's been doing this for about 15 minutes continuously like this. We have these about every couple days here in the summer. That is usually this much lightning. And this is every couple seconds, you know. There's lightning strikes going on, so it's a bunch of heat lightning. Just gonna sit here and just record this for another minute or two. Well, if you're still watching this video, please give it a like and thumbs up. Comments and questions, please leave them below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe for more. And thank you all for watching. This has been Lake Island Reptiles.